how to add a header to your WIX website or to fix a hidden header on your WIX website. So basically, on the WIX, it will automatically have the header and the footer by the default. And if you don't find it, it may be hidden by your website template. And to make it appear again, you just want to click right here at the left of your screen on Pages and Menu. And then on the side menu, on the Home, you want to click these three dots right here. And then click on Settings. Then you want to go to Layout. And you might change it to Standard, so it will have a header and the footer. And there you go. Right here, you can customize your header as you like. You can also change the header scroll settings by make it to scroll with side, freeze, disappear, or fade out when you scroll down. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.